Ring doorbell replacement, security screws and screwdriver. Lost a ring doorbell, screw or screwdriver? This replacement kit is a lifesaver for you. High quality, made from industrial grade quality S2 steel, strong as original quality. Fit ALL ring doorbells, we've been tested many times. Wowstick Lithium Precision Screwdriver. The electric screwdriver kit comes with 56 popular bits, including Phillips, slotted, hex, Torx, 5-point, Y-type, square, triangle, square, U-type to compatible with most electronic devices. It has the highest driving speed in all series electric screwdriver, up to 200 RPMs non-moted, and the maximum torque up to 0.15/3 Nm torque, which is totally power enough for your electronics devices repair work, such as smartphone, RC drones, joystick, computer, camera and so on. Insulated Screwdriver. Insulated Screwdriver flip blade has a number 2 Phillips end and a 1/4 inch slotted end. Securely and easily release the blade with a quick twist of the lock collar. Interchangeable blades with a slim tip to fit tight terminal blocks. Handle and blade have a 1000 volt insulation rating. A layer of orange impact and flame resistant insulation protects from electric shock. Screwdriver pen pocket multi-tool. All-in-one tool set. Are you into cool gadgets? The Etchbee's gift for men and women can function as a ballpoint pen, stylus pen, flathead screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, level tool, bubble tool, and 4-inch pocket ruler. It combines all your most useful functions for the ideal all-in-one. Expertly designed mini tool or heavy-duty and ergonomic pen tool, a unique gift that makes a great surprise your dad who loves DIY home improvement. Klein Tools. Multi-bit stubby screwdriver, nut driver with compact interchangeable shaft, holds 4 universal tips and converts to 2 nut driver sizes. Includes non-magnetic nut driver sizes, 1/4 inch, 6 mm, and 5/16 inch, 8 mm.